Hello Lani to grace the stage today.
Do you know who the singer is?
His name is Makana RC.
Makani?
Makana.
Makana.
Yeah.
Makana RC. He's the singer.
He's just got out of high school last year, I think.
Oh, and this is
Performed
the
at one
last
of our
time
homeowners'
we're
banquet
gonna sing. So mahalo for having us. Thank you.
like 2 years ago. Won an award.
And also for Leia and Kaihu for playing for like forever and ever and ever.
Your homeowners association gives awards?
No, he won some. He won some award.
No,
we
I
didn't
might
give it.
apply.
We didn't give it. He was given it by school or something. Wasn't
I
it?
think Wavecrest is a good, why not? I'll take the Wavecrest Hano Hoku.
No. Paniolahali. Aren't you a Paniolahali?
Yeah, but we don't give awards.
Well, we don't give awards either. The school, they gave him one while we were.
Jim, she's such a pleasure.
Every season, all my hopes have been tied is to live a better life with a purpose and a reason. Beautiful face full of sunshine, stormy night looking divine. From the flowers in my bed, as I swish and sway to the moonlight. Hawaii on my own. It doesn't matter where I go, even when it's far away, I will remember each day that my heart is in Hawaii. Hawaii on my own. It doesn't matter where I go. Though we're far apart, you're always in my heart. My home is in Hawaii. As the rain begins to fall, my people be treated wrong. Imuana o iwi o Hawaii. As we walk hand in hand, Kanakama only, this is your land. This is your land. Now the time for us is near. Stand together, have no fear, as we give honor to Na'ali.